This is my first time standing in front of y'all.
Okay. All right.
Y'all beautiful.
Get to it then. Plug straight everybody.
Now I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord my soul to keep. If I should die before I wake, I pray the Lord my soul to take. Most of these fools they fake, most of these fools they hate, most of these chicks cliche. They'll perpetrate, but I'ma motivate as I initiate the realization of my dreams. Cloud 28, put it on the map now. Touch cash, yeah man, they talking bad now. Talking down on me, man, it's been 15 years, been a long time coming. A lot of blood, sweat, and tears, but I won't stop running. Won't stop gunning for the top spot. Gotta get it, I'm not y'all. Nah, I'm not y'all. Doing it my way, I feel like Sinatra. Doing what they say is nada. It's no tomorrow, it's sayonara to all of you haters. If you don't believe in we, you don't believe in me. You didn't believe in G, you don't believe in the team. TCE, that's all that I got. Off of the streets of TP, it was me. But we rose to the top. We stood all the feats. We stood all the wins. We stood the test of time. Kept it real then now and again. Ain't no need to pretend. Ain't no need to be friend. And let that sink in. Now I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord my soul to keep. If I should die before I wake, I pray the Lord my soul to take. Most of these fools they fake, most of these fools they hate, most of these chicks they shake. They'll perpetrate, but I'ma motivate.
I stood on one spot for a long time.
Now I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord my soul to keep. If I should die before I wake, then I pray the Lord my soul to take. Most of these fools they fake, most of these fools they hate, most of these chicks they shake, and they'll perpetrate, but I'ma motivate. Everything it has been. I ain't talking about no hindsight, cause you didn't have it in the past tense. Talking about what you wanna do, standing 10 times, stacking Benjamins, forget all your friends and them. Start seeing new vision and omitting them. Then you really start getting it. Bad bras on your team and they splitting it. Counterfeit peon, they be talking about that other biz. I'm not a scammer, I'm just sitting back and getting rich. He and DB, playing AC in the AC, bumping that alchemist on repeat. They really don't know me, and I don't know them. But I just see I gotta get this cash, shit, it's on me. Keeping dark Ray-Bans all on my eyes with the Oakleys, cause I've been in disguise. You can't look in my eyes, I'm on demon times. And I don't know why I get like this. I'm feeling like MJ, remember the time. I remember the time I was blind. Remember the time I was out of my mind. Remember the time that my health had declined. Now I'm back aligned, back on my grind, back on my time, back on the shine. All my crystals in line, the full moon is out and it's rising. Forget the limelight, in new time you see hindsight. Wait, get your mind right, get your grind right, get your grind right. It's my time, right? It's my time, right? It's my time, right?
Yep.
That covers the iron fist. Always persist, don't resist the temptation to overcome every obstacle before your destination. Waiting on things to change is how you never make it. Life is a gift, fragile, precious, for granted, never take it. Without the trials and tribulations, just gracefully embrace changes as you accept the seasons. No reasons as to why and when. You think of me, I'll be your ribbon in the sky. Till then, think of me as the ocean flowing throughout my life. Every now and then I come to shore, but the fluidity and the flow of the waves is my source. Of course, me making a difference in your lives. As remember the time plays dramatically in my mind. I realize the time is mine. The highs up front and I'm next in line. The only way to go is up. Ain't switching, only gonna roll for us. In God I trust, and the cash I touch. Family a must. And it seems we won. We won. The velvet glove that covers the iron fist always persists. The velvet glove that covers the iron fist always persists. When you can't be tested, everything close to you becomes subjected to be taken as leverage. But you gotta be able and willing to stay focused. Tough times come below this, they won't last always. So keep in stride in your path set. Calculations adding up like a math test. Coming from your intuition, take heed and pass this. Or live and learn until you do. Some people learn after a time or two, some people never do. I walk in the sand and watch the sunrise to see the truth in the light of the sky. That sparks the hope in my eye, leading deep to my soul. I know I can fly, now I can dig deeper and grow. I can't neglect myself to wither and die. Even from the concrete, a rose will survive with just a little soil, water, and light.